Is your WhatsApp call not ringing when your iPhone is locked? It might be happening from the notification settings, do not disturb mode, or app issues. In this video, I'll show you how to solve WhatsApp calls not ringing issue on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, turn off the do not disturb mode and low power mode. Now try airplane mode on and off. Ringing volume is turned up. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Turn off live activity. First, open up the Settings app. Now scroll down to the bottom. After that, tap on Apps. Now find the WhatsApp. Then tap on it. After that, make sure to toggle on live activity from here. Solution 2. Enable notifications. Open up the Settings app. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Notifications. Now scroll down to the bottom, find the WhatsApp app, tap on it. Make sure to toggle on the Allow Notifications, and then select all the alerts like lock screen and notification center and banners. Next, toggle on the sounds as well. Now tap on Show Previews. Select Always, and then go back. Tap WhatsApp notification settings from the bottom. It will redirect you to the WhatsApp app notifications settings. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, toggle on the Show Preview here as well. Now go and check. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Enable background app refresh. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down. Tap on Background app refresh. Again, tap on Background app refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back. Scroll down. Find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Now go to the WhatsApp app and try to open it again. Hope your WhatsApp call not ringing issue when your iPhone is locked is now fixed. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.